and we are ready, made our bed to lay our head to rest. And we drove every nail in that old coffin for the trench. Another mile.